Le futur, the future tense. When is the future tense used? The future tense is used to talk about what hasn't happened yet. So whenever you use the modal verb will plus a verb in English, you need to use the future tense in French. How is the future tense formed? Most verbs in the future tense are regular and all have the same endings, regardless of whether they are in the first, second, or third group. Regular verbs are formed by taking the infinitive and adding the appropriate ending. The future tense endings are ai, as, a, ons, ez, ont, e, a, on, et, on. If you're having problems remembering these, think of the verb avoir in the present tense. So, for example, here's the verb parler, to speak, in the future tense. Je parlerai, tu parleras, il parlera, nous parlerons, vous parlerez, ils parleront. Please note, when a verb ends in re, the final e needs to be removed before adding the appropriate ending. So, for example, the verb prendre, to take, in the future tense is je prendrai, tu prendras, il prendra, nous prendrons, vous prendrez, ils prendront. As you can see, the final e from the infinitive has been removed before adding the ending. Here are some irregular verbs you should know in the future tense. Acheter, to buy. Lever, to lift. The only thing that's irregular here is the need for an accent on the first e. Appeler, to call, you need to add an L to the stem. Jeter, to throw, you need to add a T to the stem. The next few verbs have completely irregular stems, so I'd advise you to learn them off by heart. The stem for the verb aller in the future is ir. The stem for the verb avoir is or, for the verb devoir, d'œuvre, and for the verb envoyer, envers. The stem for the verb essayer in the future is essayeur, for the verb être, sœur, for the verb faire, feur, and for the verb pleuvoir, pleuvre. The stem for the verb pouvoir in the future is pour, for the verb savoir, saur, for the verb valoir, vaudre, and for the verb venir, viendre. And last but not least, the stem for the verb voir in the future is vers, and for the verb vouloir, voudre. Verbs in the conditional use the same stems, so it's a good idea to learn them off by heart. Here's a little exercise. Pause the video and try filling in the blanks. I'll give you the answers in a few seconds. Ils feront. Tu arriveras. Je donnerai. Vous serez. Elle aimera. Ils auront. Here are the links to my grammar, vocabulary, culture, and pronunciation playlists if you're interested. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions, requests, or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget, you can also find me on Twitter and Facebook. Bye!